Oh, Artie was just having a little pre-drawing nap. I always like to do that because then I'm ready to go. Okay, nap's over. Let's draw.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away, and when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Ooh, I think we'll have a song in a few minutes. Yeah, that'll be fun. Okay. It's time we had a little rest and sang a song. Don't you think so, little artists? Yeah? Okay. Are we ready? Let's do it. Let's have a song break.
Wake up, it's time to eat. Artie's here with a breakfast treat. Eggs and toast, some fruit so bright. Gives us energy and might. Wake up, it's time to say. Breakfast starts a happy day. Artie says let's fuel our brains with yummy food to ride the train. Big adventures, work or play. Breakfast gets us on our way. Cereal crunch or pancakes tall. Milk or juice, we love it all. Bananas, yogurt, maybe some cheese. Breakfast makes us strong with ease. Artie smiles and says, hooray, you're ready for a great big day. Artie says, let's fuel our brains with yummy food to ride the train. Big adventures, work or play. Breakfast gets us on our way. So don't forget, when you rise, a healthy breakfast is super wise. Artie knows, and now you too. Breakfast power sees you through.
Wasn't that an awesome song? It was so much fun. Okay, fun's over. Well, singing fun at least. Now it's drawing fun. Let's carry on with the drawing. Oh, I love art so much. Artie! No!
Wow!
Oh, Painty, you made a big mess everywhere. I'm gonna have to clean that up. I'll do it after the drawing. Well, I think I'm done. Wow, it came out really, really good. I'm amazed. Sometimes I can't believe how talented I am. And so humble. Well, anyway, I guess we got to add some colour. Should we colour it in? Yeah, come on, let's colour!
It's coloring time!
Oh, wow, it came out really, really good, especially with colour. Colour makes everything better. That's why my whole studio is colourful. And my shirt, well, and my hair, I guess.
We hope you enjoyed the show. Carrot kisses and funny wishes.
We'll see you next time on Artie's show. Bye-bye!
Well, little artists, that's the end of the show. I hope you had fun watching me draw and watching us sing and having a really good time. We hope to see you again. Please watch soon. Bye-bye and have an arty day.
Wow!